Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. What if without chasing, without begging, without saying a single word, they started to feel your absence so deeply? What if they couldn't sleep the same, laugh the same, or love the same because you are no longer there? Tonight, you're not manifesting from pain. You're stepping into a frequency so powerful that your absence becomes unforgettable. Stay with me because by the end of this meditation, they will regret losing you. Now breathe in slowly, hold, exhale gently. Again, breathe in confidence, exhale attachment, and let your body soften. Release the need to control. Release the urge to chase. You are not here to convince anyone of your worth. You are here to remember it. Feel your energy pulling back like a tide returning to the ocean. And as you reclaim your energy, they begin to feel the distance. Now repeat these affirmations silently or out loud. I am unforgettable. My absence is deeply felt. They think about me constantly. They feel the loss of me in unexpected moments. I am irreplaceable in their life. No one compares to my energy. They replay memories of me over and over. They feel what it's like to not have access to me anymore. I am chosen. I am valued. I am deeply desired. They regret ever letting me go. My energy lingers in their mind and heart. I didn't lose them, they lost me. I am the one they can't replace. They feel the weight of my absence more every day. Now pause here and let these words sink in, not as hope, but as truth. Now imagine them sitting alone and something reminds them of you. Maybe it's a song, a place, a small, ordinary moment, and suddenly they feel it. The silence where your voice used to be. The emptiness where your presence once lived. They realize no one understands them the way you did. No one brings the same light, the same depth, the same energy. Feel that shift, not from revenge, but from alignment. Because you didn't lose your value, you withdrew your access. And now they feel it. Let that realization settle into your body. You are not chasing, you are attracting. You are not waiting, you are becoming. Now take a deep breath. You are whole with or without them. You are powerful with or without closure. You are magnetic simply by being you. And the moment you fully embody this truth is the moment everything shifts. They don't feel your absence because you want them to. They feel it because it's real. Take one final deep breath in and exhale slowly. And when you are ready, open your eyes. They will feel it. Now seal this energy in the comments by typing, "They feel my absence." This locks in the frequency you just activated. And if you are ready to manifest even faster, visit joybyjanell.com for deeper manifestation tools designed to amplify your power.